Next, you're going to add a channel description. You can see here I did a quick little update of my channel art. Thought this image was a little bit less distracting in the background. To add your channel description, you should see a big edit button right here for your description. Or if you've already added one, you can just click on any of these little pencil icons to edit. Here I've already added mine, so I can quickly show you some tips on a description. This is just a brief introduction of you and your channel to the audience. So some things to keep in mind are to include the main keywords for your channel right here in the channel description. So the channel title is good, but also what your channel is going to be about, including some other keywords that are related. So not just personal finance, for example, for my channel, but I've included things like early retirement, investing, budgeting, side hustles, minimalism, things that are related to personal finance that will help people find our channel. And if people are interested in these other things as well, they might be more likely to subscribe. That's basically the goal with all of these tools that we have, our channel art, our description, even the videos we create. We're trying to get people to subscribe because with more subscribers, we're more likely to get more views on our new videos, which will help them rank higher even faster. Also in your description, show the benefit of what people are getting from your channel. You can see here that I say, subscribe now to get our weekly videos in your inbox and to learn how to make more, save more, and worry less about money. That's the ultimate goal with this channel that I'm creating. And if people like that benefit, they'll be more likely to subscribe. So make sure you don't just talk about what your channel is about, but what benefit people are getting from your channel. When you're done editing, click done. You can have up to, I think, 1,000 characters in your description. And it doesn't only appear here on your description page. Sometimes it appears when people search for channels. For example, if I search for personal finance, and you can search for specifically channels underneath the filters, the Radical Personal Finance channel doesn't even have a description, but some of these you see the description starts right here. And that will help people decide whether to click on the channel or not. So you want to make sure you have a good description, especially at the beginning. The first line is most important. That's why I like asking a question and including that word you in the beginning of my channel description, because that calls out to the user. So that's the channel description. Go ahead and add yours if you haven't done so yet, and then we'll meet back here and continue editing our channel. Right now, this is what our channel looks like. It's kind of plain, right? But also we don't have all the options that a channel like, for example, Video School Online has, which includes a channel trailer. We can include links to other channels within our network, or really just any other channels that we like. We can organize the home page of our channel with playlists, reorganizing them the way that they are laid out. And we can even include links here at the top of the channel. So to set that up, what you need to choose is this little gear icon. This brings up your channel settings, so you can turn on and off things like the privacy settings for videos that you like, if you want to keep private or not, subscriptions, playlists. Also customize your layout of your channel. So click that to turn on and then click save. This gives you more advanced settings for what your channel looks like. Now you can see that we have these different tabs for the home screen of our channel, videos, playlist, channels, the about, which is where our description is. Over on the right hand side, we have the featured channels that we like. We can also turn on and off the popular channels on YouTube that are related to our channel. On the about section, now we can add things like our business email address, which is great for people to be able to find if you are running a business and you want to give the people an opportunity to contact you. And I encourage that you do this because you never know why people might reach out to you. Maybe you'll get a few spam messages here and there, but I've gotten people who have asked me about my classes, about my products and services. I've also been able to reach out to other YouTubers to be a part of my podcast, for example, using this email address, or to partner on a project. So this is an easy way for other businesses to connect with you to perhaps work on a project together. So I would including your business information here. Also, you can put your links. You can have up to 5 links. Just click the add button and then you can add a title. For example, if I put my website, then I put the website URL for my home page, for example, and I click done, what happens is you see here, website pops up. So you'll want to make sure that you put what this website is. Phil's site, for example. That might look better. It also shows the icon or the favicon for your website up here too. So if you don't have that favicon set up, please do so. I showed you how to do this in the WordPress section. For different website builders, it's going to be different, but that's the little icon that appears at the top of any web browser. So if you add one site, that's what it looks like. But say we add two sites. So say I add Video School Online, for example, and click done. Now Video School Online will just appear as an icon. So the reason why I bring this up is to make sure that your first link is the link that's most important. So for example, on Video School Online, my first link is my offer for new subscribers to Video School Online to get $1 for an entire month of my membership plan. So if you have a lead magnet or a landing page that you want to direct people to, make that your first link. So that's how you add links, and I would definitely do that first thing. If you have other channels, just click the Add Channel button. You can add a channel of your own, or you can add a channel that is not yours. And now Video School Online appears right there. So if you have another channel, I would recommend adding that there. You can preview your channel as yourself or as someone who is a new visitor to your channel. And this is going to look different. For example, for Video School Online, if you're a new viewer, you'll see this channel trailer, which is a welcome to Video School Online, which is something I highly recommend doing. And that's going to be one of our next videos and tasks. But returning subscribers don't see this. They go straight to the latest upload, which is good because you don't want someone who's a returning subscriber to just be bombarded with the same message every time. So that's how you customize your channel layout. Really, the first thing that I think you should do is create that channel trailer. So that's what we're going to be covering in the next video.